Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how to mine white bunny. The white bunny mining allows you to claim carrots and points and convert these points into white bunny token that will be distributed at launch. It promises to be fun and rewarding. So guys, if you find our tutorial videos useful and interesting, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cart. Wiki Cart is built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's dive into the video. Now, to get started on white bunny, you will be needing a referral link. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. You click on Start Now. Okay, here we go. All you have to do is tap at this steady icon in the middle and you keep earning carrots. Now you can navigate your way around this app by utilizing these icons underneath. This friend icon allows you to get your unique referral link and refer your friends to join you in this mining, and you'll be earning a 10% reward from their earnings. Okay, you also utilize this task icon, which allows you to carry out some tasks and you get rewarded in return. You carry some tasks by following these handles and completing some special tasks. Okay, this is the boost icon. The boost icon allows you to increase your mining capacity, your energy limits, and your earnings per tap. Okay, so this is the tap icon. So guys, this is all for white bunny mining app. I believe you find this video useful, so do well, give this video a thumbs up. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll be seeing you in our next video.